Dude, look at this bumper in this. Let me see if you guys can see this clearly. Dude, that thing looks nasty. Man, dude, that thing looks so sick. Alright guys, welcome back. So today I've got a couple parts for the Mustang that I am going to unbox. Hopefully I'm going to get this bumper off to paint in an hour or two. I've got to call them in just a bit. This is going to be my wicker bill for the Mustang. I'm not going to open this. Too many parts. So I'm going to leave that, but I am going to unbox the front bumper real quick. Show you guys what it looks like. I'm super excited. This is going to look amazing. So I've had this bumper for about a week now. So this is actually the MP Concepts GT350 bumper. It is unpainted. Oh, I don't want to unwrap it though. But anyways, I'll show you kind of what you can see. It came with two new front mesh. It came with the mesh part for the front. Also came with the lip. This won't get painted, but this came with the side parts as well. I wonder if it can. Yeah, I guess that's kind of what I had to show you guys. I'm going to call the paint shop, see if I can't get this in, hopefully this week, and get this going, because I think this would be a great addition. For the spoiler, all I'm waiting on is I need to get a rivet gun, or a rivet tool, so that I can get that going. That's another project on the to-do list, but I think both these will complement each other very well. Just kind of want to unbox that for you guys, and yeah. I think it's been about two or 3 weeks. But I'm happy to announce we finally got the Mustang for the bumper. Wow, we finally got the bumper for the Mustang. So this is the GT350 bumper. It's gonna look sweet. I still have to assemble the front grille, the fog lights, and the lower lip down here. But anyways, I'm going to get this installed on the Mustang as soon as I get some time. And it's gonna look so much better. I love the look of this. Plus we still have a wicker bill to put on it. Ooh, with those two things, it's gonna look so good. And I've got some more parts coming for it, suspension parts, but I'm not giving all that away right now. Just know there's more in store for this. So hope you guys are excited about the bike. I know I just announced that in the last video, I believe, but excited to bring some content with that. Hope you guys are stoked, but we're gonna get this going. So I will, in the next clip, we're gonna be installing this bumper, or at least assembling it. All right, welcome back. So today I've got the freshly painted new GT350 front bumper that I'm gonna be installing. I've got all the pieces here. First step is I gotta take the old one off, which luckily with the past week it's been coming off itself. So I got this just in time. So today we're gonna get all this assembled and get it put on the car. It's gonna look so sick. But so what it looks like is I gotta take all this off. Luckily enough for me, fender liner is already missing, so don't have to deal with that. It's mostly just gonna be assembling this, cutting off the 2 zip ties on here, and popping all these out. But anyways, enough rambling. Let's hop into it today. Let's just knock it out. It's gonna look great. Old bumper's off. All it was these screws right here, that windshield, and 2 zip ties holding it up. Pretty simple. So now I've got to get the turn signals out of here, transfer them over to this bumper, And then these are all the grills that came with it, so I need to attach them to this one. It's gonna take a little bit of time, so I'm just gonna throw this on a time lapse and get this rolling for you. Trying to beat the sun down so that I can get some photos, because this is gonna look sweet. And of course my light died, so what can you do? But anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling and we're gonna get these two done. Alright guys, welcome back. So it has been about a week now and I've finally got the Mustang pulled in. This front bumper has been a real struggle to get together, but I finally got it together. The clips, a huge pain. The weather stripping was pretty easy. I only ripped about a quarter of it, and then everything else was pretty easy, but clipping these two sides were the massive pain. But you know what? We got it done. We got the Mustang pulled in, and I've got about an hour until I've got to head out of here, so don't have too much time to waste today. Oh. But I think this is gonna look sick. Did this a little bit ago, so I'm trying to remember. Pretty sure these are all the bolts. Yeah, these should be the bolts for that. Cool. Let's get it all set up on there. Oop. If you are doing this yourself, I would recommend highly having two people. Just an FYI. I'm flying solo today, but it is not recommended for everyone. There we go. All right. This is going to... The biggest problem with this front bumper is the fact that there is no more fender liner left. Let me cut this out because I forgot to. When you're going fast, that thing just beats the side of the car, and it's not cool. Oh man, where'd those go? Alright, perfect. Also, as I'm doing this, I do want to apologize. I know that content's been pretty slow, but I am going to change that. Just work and everything. I'm gonna try and buy more lights for this garage so I can start doing stuff at night. Holy crap. Wow, that looks sick. Wow. But anyways, like I was saying, big thing with this is going to be the fact that everything is freaking broken. No, but what I was gonna say is, big thing with this, no fender liner, so there's gonna be nothing to attach it to on the sides. So it's gonna look a little misplaced, and the underbelly is gone. Perks of buying a wrecked car. That is one thing to take in consideration before you buy one of these. You're going to lose everything. So when you go to put stuff in and you're like, man, easy install, it's gonna say psych. And then also, while this car was down for a bit, I did get it aligned. Want to say, works so much better. Handling, Oh, I haven't got it to high speeds yet, but I took it for just like a solid highway little thing. Oh, damn. But I took it out on the highway and it was pretty good. Again, didn't go fast, but it's getting there. Okay, everything's tightened down. The tray, I'm gonna need to get new push pins for. I've pulled this out myself twice, so those push pins are shot. And I've only got 4 left, so Sunday, I need to change the oil, so I'll grab new push pins from O'Reilly's or AutoZone then. But for now, this bumper looks sick. I'm gonna turn the light off, clean this up just a bit, get this backed out, get the bike back in here, and I'm gonna take this outside and get some pictures. This thing is sweet. Hopefully tonight after work I can get it. It's gonna be too cold. Well, maybe Sunday I can run and get it cleaned and then get some really good photos of it. But yeah, here we go. I'm ecstatic. This was one thing I really wanted to do to it, was put this bumper on it. Oh, with the hood shut, I know this is gonna look so damn good. Don't even play with me. Oh no. That thing looks sick. Oh, 10 out of 10, the best mod I've done. Dude, don't even play with me. Woo. Dude, that thing is nasty. Dude, best mod ever. Dude, that is sick. That's what I'm talking about right there. But I've got a zip tie holding it on. Oh no. Dude, this thing looks menacing. Wow. All right, let me get this backed out. And then I'm gonna bring the bike on in. Dude, look at this bumper in this. Let me see if you guys can see this clearly. Dude, that thing looks nasty. Man, dude, that thing looks so sick. All right, let me get it put back over here. Dude, that thing looks mean. Sorry for my hair. I just had the GoPro on all day, so you know what? Don't judge. All right, got some photos for Instagram. Found a small issue though. Where is it? Small issue. Looks like the tire is starting to come apart. So, and then there's, if you can see it right there, starting to come apart. So I guess before I do anything, I will be putting 2 new front tires on this thing. I already got 2 new backs on here, so it's probably time for the fronts. I'm guessing these are from 2015. Where's the date code on these? Yeah, they're from 2017, so if you don't know how to read a date code on them. So if you don't know how to read a date code on a tire right here, I'm gonna switch over. Right here, it says 4217. 42 stands for the 42nd week of 2017. So that's how you figure it out. If you didn't know, there's your fun fact of the day. Oh man, that car's so sick. All right, well, I've got to get some fender liner to complete it, so there's not so many body gaps in the front bumper and the side skirts. What am I thinking of? So fender liner, and then I've got the wing extension that goes on it, and then really, oh, and 2 new tires, and then after that, just performance stuff. Big ideas for that. But anyways, that's gonna wrap up today's video. Sorry this video is so drawn out, but just been tied up. But anyways, I'm not gonna quit. I'm gonna quit rambling on. If you guys liked today's video, hit that like button. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. And you guys Have a great day.